Focusing on cleanliness is more important than ever. Through it, we can keep each other protected. That's why we've a number of cleaning measures for each customer touchpoint. For every part of the vehicle we come into contact with, we've enhanced our cleaning methods with a number of new BMW approved products. We have adapted all our processes to ensure we minimize the risk of unnecessary contact without compromising the level of service you would expect from your BMW retailer. We will always treat the areas of your car that may have been touched. For example, the steering wheel, gear stick and handles will be thoroughly cleaned, ready for return of your vehicle to you. Because there is nothing more important than the well-being of our customers and colleagues. For questions, please contact your local BMW retailer.